Hello friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all in this faculty driven platform that is Resultant. I hope all of you are fine, doing fantastic guys, and in this session I will be taking 20 technical questions of HPCL level of all the civil engineering subjects. I repeat guys, the 20 questions, the 20 technical questions including all the subjects of civil engineering will be up to the HPCL level. And HPCL level guys, of course, as the time is less than 1 minute to solve, so of course the questions are very easy as compared to GATE, because roughly guys, in GATE examination you got around 3 minutes to solve a question, but here you are getting only 50 to 55 seconds. So of course the questions will be easier in HPCL, there is no doubt about that. Okay, so how is the Josh guys? Everyone please let me know on the comment section. Okay guys, please like and share the session with all so that many students can join. Okay, guys, this is about me. Those who don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have done my M.Tech from IIT Delhi. I got all India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score a better rank than this. These are my subjects. Okay guys, you can download our civil engineering and mechanical engineering app from the Play Store. Okay, you can download the app and you can connect us here at these numbers. Okay, if you want to have any courses guys, there is a civil engineering app on the Play Store. You can download this. Also guys, on the Eid, on the special occasion of Eid guys, you will be having a discount on 1 year course. Rather than 24,999, the price will be 17,999. And for the 2 year course for the GATE and ESC, where we are teaching everything guys, instead of 31,999, you have to pay 23,999. The courses will be in English and Hindi both. Now guys, what we will be providing you in the classes, of course the live class where you can interact with the teachers. Okay, recording classes, study notes PDF, weekly test, numerical doubt session, subject mock test. Okay, so each and everything written here we will be providing you on our app. Now guys, about HPCL, this is the number of seats. This time only 10 seats. Yes guys, I'm not that kind of a teacher who will be saying that you require only 1 seat, because that is, I guess, is a very wrong or rubbish statement. Okay, you only require 1 seat, but if their total number of seats are 2, then the chances of that 1 seat of occupied by a candidate is less. And if the number of seats are 1000, then the chances for getting that 1 seat is easier. So you require 1 seat, it's okay, but competition exam is relative exam here. Okay, so yes, this will be a tough competition this time. If I talk about the pattern guys, total 170 questions, out of which 50%, that is 85 questions are technical and 85 are non-technical. Okay, out of 170 questions, 85 technical of civil engineering, 85 non-technical. Non-technical includes reasoning, numeric aptitude and English. For every correct question you will be getting +1 marks, and negative marking is -0.25. So in 150 minutes, that is 2.5 hours, you have to solve 170 questions guys. Okay, now guys, individual cutoff, I have everything I told you. There is an individual cutoff here and here also. Combined cutoff should be 60% out of 170. That everything I already discussed, you can see there. If I talk about the last year cutoff guys, then guys, for 18 seats last time, the cutoff out of 170 is, out of 170 the cutoff is 142, that is around 80%. That is why I have taken the today's cutoff is around 80%, that is out of 20 questions that I will be discussing here, you should be scoring 16. Okay, so that 16 is not a random number, because the last time the cutoff was around 80% for all the categories. Okay, so this time I have taken only, that is the why I have taken 16 questions you have to do correct out of 20 questions. This is the weightage guys, you will not be finding this everywhere, because we have collected of our own. In the last 3 years, what was the weightage? Okay, last time the paper was on 23rd December. Okay, so this is the weightage guys. Of course, soil, survey, transportation, environment, fluid mechanics are on the higher weightage. This already I have discussed. So let us start the question guys. Let us start the session. Okay, if you want to have that Eid offer guys, please have our course now. Okay, किसी के पास बहुत पैसा है, हम तो MRP पे लेंगे तो अलग बात है. Okay, now guys, score 16 out of these 20 questions. And I am repeating guys, when I am taking GATE questions, of course the questions will be GATE level. Okay, but here in HPCL, as in the actual exam also, the questions are easier. So here also you will be finding it easy. Okay, questions will be easy because in HPCL also the questions are not that tough. Give me yes or no in the comment box, guys. How is the Josh ready for those 20 questions? Ready for those 20 questions, commandos? Okay, so here, guys, one by one, let us go. So here is the question number 1. Please note at the end I will be asking that how many questions you have solved correct. How many questions you have solved correct at the end I will be asking. Okay. And try to solve this in less than 1 minute because actual exam also giving you less than 1 minute. What is the liquefaction phenomena? Okay. Tell me answers on the comment box, guys. What is the liquefaction phenomena? Where are your comments, guys? See, guys, in liquefaction and quicksand condition, in both sigma bar net is equal to 0. But in quicksand condition, it is due to upward seepage. It is due to upward seepage in both quicksand condition and liquefaction. The net effective stress is 0. That means soil is not, there is no bonding between the soil. They cannot have strength. Okay, I have made a video of liquefaction also, a short video. Okay, soil has no strength that time. And in liquefaction, guys, that is due to dynamic forces. Okay, due to dynamic forces such as earthquake, effective stress becomes 0. Okay, so it is dynamic forces means oscillatory motion. Okay, not hydraulic structure. Hydraulic structure will cause seepage. Okay, that will be quicksand condition. Vinay, I hope you got it. Okay, that was question number 1. Now, guys, question number 2, guys. Try to solve 16 out of those 20 questions. Try to solve 16 out of these 20 questions. Question number 2. How residual error is calculated in theory of errors? First of all, let me tell you, guys, in theory of errors, this error means random error. This error means random error, also called as accidental error, also called as compensating error. So the other error, that is systematic error, cumulative error, that you study in the chain surveying. That is correction due to sag, correction due to pull, correction due to temperature, correction due to misalignment, correction due to slope, correction due to standardization. All these things are for systematic error, cumulative error. Theory of error deals with random error. Okay, if you don't know what is cumulative and systematic error, that follows a pattern. If for a particular survey, particular instrument, if the error is +1 plus, then it will always be plus. For one chain +1, suppose, then for 2 chain it will be +2, for 3 chain it will be +3, for 4 chain it will be +4. For one chain if it is -1, then for 2 chain it is -2, 3 chain it is -3. That is a systematic error, cumulative error. And random error means for a particular instrument, for a particular survey, it can be plus, it can be minus, anything. That is random. Okay. So residual error is equal to the difference of the most probable value and the observed values. Okay. That is also called as residual error. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3, guys. Come on, hit the questions, guys, hard. Hit these questions hard, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. चलो भाई बोल दो. बोलो बोलो. Question number 3. Come on, come on, come on. What they ask? Calculate the coefficient of volume change. That means they are asking MV. MV is equal to AV upon 1 plus E naught. Okay, it is AV upon 1. Initial void ratio is, the void ratio changes from 0.6 to 0.5. It is 0.60. Okay, this is MV. So our now task is to find AV. What is AV? AV is delta E upon delta sigma bar. Okay, so I'm only writing the magnitude. Okay, 0.60 minus 0.55 delta E by delta sigma bar, 150 and 200. I am only writing magnitude. So put this AV here and get the value of MV. So from here guys, you will be getting 1 by 1600. 1 by 1600, that is option number A. These kind of questions will be coming in HPCL guys. Which is the poorly graded soil? Out of these, poorly graded soil is also called as uniform. Guys, uniform soil is poorly graded soil. Even guys, not the well graded, not the gap graded, the poorest soil is uniform. Because if all particles are of same size then there are no smaller particles. There are no smaller particles that can fit in the voids. At least in gap graded, there are some big particles, there are some small particles. Yes, a particular size is missing there, but at least there are different size of particles. But in uniform, all the particles are of same size. When all the particles are of same size, that means in the voids, the smaller particles cannot go because there is no smaller particles. This is the poorest soil. Okay, and all the particles are of same size. That means how much flat will be the curve now? That much good. Excellent here. Excellent. Flat means the various range of particles will be coming. This is the range on x-axis, grain size. And how much vertical will be the curve now? That much poor it will be. That much. How much flat it will be? That much good it will be for the foundation for the site. How much vertical? Vertical means the different ranges are not coming. Only a particular range is coming. Only a particular range is coming. And here you can see guys, this B value. This is the B. If you are not able to see it properly, this is the B guys. This is the B. That is the poorest. Having a very small size. Only these much particles are there. Not smaller, not bigger. Yes, Vinay. Excellent. Excellent. So this was question number 4. You are out of 20 questions guys, you have to solve 16 questions. Then your preparation is on the right track. Okay. Then your preparation is on the right track guys. Let us go for the question number 5 from engineering mechanics. Question number 5. What is the value of Y? Y is the center of gravity distance from the bottom of a hollow cone. On a hollow cone, what is the value of Y where the center of gravity will be lying? What is the value of Y where center of gravity will be lying guys? Come on, have free fun. Okay, these kind of questions can be solved in 10 seconds here. Okay, just see the questions and the value will be h by 3. This is the 5th question. This is the 5th question, h by 3. Let us move to question number 6 from surveying. In fact, from GPS and remote sensing. Okay, select the incorrect statement from the following regarding GPS. In GPS, satellites are placed in orbits with orbital radius around 1500. A transit user at the equator can obtain a position fixed at the average of 10 minutes. The satellite constellation of GPS consists of 24 satellites. Yes, there are total 27 satellites, out of which 24 are operational and 3 are reserved. Okay, 27 satellites are orbiting around the Earth, out of which 24 are operational, 3 are reserved. GPS can provide 3-dimensional positioning. Yes. So guys, out of this, A is wrong. It is little more than that. The radius is more than 1500. Again, a database question, and such questions are asked in HPCL. Question number 7. Come on guys. You have to solve 16 questions out of these 20 questions. Little fast guys. Come on, because HPCL is also giving you 50 seconds. Only 50 seconds to solve a question. Which of the following represents the line showing the equal dip? Equal dip is the angle between the needle and the horizontal at a place. Dip is the angle between horizontal line at a place and the needle. Dip at poles is 90 degree, because if this is Earth, then magnetic lines are like this. So at poles, horizontal will be this, and needle and lines are 90 degree to it. So at poles, horizontal is this and lines are 90 degree. So poles, the dip is 90. At equator, horizontal is this, line is also like this. So 0 degree. Okay. Other place it is 0 to 90 degree. So it is isoclinic. No Vinay, it is not isogenic. It is isoclinic. Equal dip is isoclinic. Guys, see. Equal dip is isoclinic. Equal declination is isogenic. Equal declination, and that declination is special, 0, is agonic line. Okay, equal declination is isogenic. equal declination a special case, and that declination is 0. It is agonic line. Equal height, okay, equal elevation, it is contour. Line joining the equal elevation is contour. Okay, equal pressure is isobar. Equal velocities is isovels. Okay, equal evapotranspiration is isoplete. Okay, equal time to reach channel outlet, tell me please. Tell me please. Audio video coming na? Tell me please. Okay, now it's coming. Chalo. A old map was drawn to a RF of this. The sheet of the map shrinks such that the shrinkage ratio is 20 by 22. Then they calculate the corrected scale of map. Now the newer map. What is the scale? Okay guys, a line which was earlier 22 in old map is now 20. That map is made of a scale of 1 by 2000. So what is the correct ground distance? 1 is 2000, then 22 will be 22 into 2000. Scale is 1 by 2000, then 22 will be 22 into 2000. What is the scale of this? Scale is map distance 20. Ground distance will be same na? Ground, if you take India small map, India large map, the distance from Delhi to Bombay will be same na? So it is 1 by 2200. 1 by 2200, that is option number C. Okay. So this was question number 8. Question number 9 guys. In this simply supported beam, the maximum shear force is, in this simply supported beam, the maximum shear force, guys, if you have seen the AN method, Abhinav Negi method of SFD BMD, Abhinav Negi method of SFD BMD, that is not my method first of all, but that in this 2 second you can draw SFD also and BMD also. If you have not seen on YouTube, you can write Abhinav Negi fastest method, you will get it. Many videos you will get it of that. Okay. Now in that guys, we just seeing the question. Upward load something will be coming, then there is downward, that is negative, and increasing. It will be like this and like this. And of course guys, here there is more load, so more reaction. So this will be the maximum shear force. Just see the Abhinav Negi method. In YouTube you can search Abhinav Negi method of SFD BMD and you can search there. Okay. So of course here it will be the maximum value. It will be maximum value there. Okay. Like this. Now so you have to find the reaction here. Okay. And once you find the reaction guys, it will be 18 kilonewton. It will be 18 kilonewton and that will be the maximum shear force. From Abhinav Negi method you can get it. That is the maximum shear force. How will you get the reaction? From Abhinav Negi method you can find that this is the maximum shear force. But how to find that? And that is the jump. When you see Abhinav Negi method, that shear force value is the reaction. That shear force value is the reaction. How you will find the reaction? Take the moment about O. Summation movement about any point has to be 0. So let this be R. So R into 6 in, let it be anti-clockwise minus, plus what is this total load? Total load is area of the UDL. So half base into height, total load. So 3, it will be 27. 2, 3 is 6, 27. 27 is the total load. How 27 is the total load? Whatever is this area under loading diagram, that is the total load. And this load can be acting at the center of mass here. This load will be acting at the center of mass and center of mass will be one third from here and 2/3 from here. So 2/3 from here, 2 by 3 into 6 will be 4, and it will be 2 from here. So total load can be assumed as a point load acting here. So 27 into 4 is equal to 0. So R is equal to, from here, 27 into 4 by 6. 27 into 4 by 6. 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja. R is equal to 18. R is equal to 18 is coming. Okay. Now question number 10. Magnitude is asked of combined correction. I know the correction is negative. So you will be saying, sir, no other or no options is negative. They have asked only magnitude. They have asked only the magnitude, guys. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. कहाँ है? हाँ. So magnitude is minus 0.0673 d square. D is in kilometer, it is 4. Guys, even without calculator you can do, na? Leave 73. What is 0.06 into 4? 0.06 into 4 is 0.24. What is the nearest value? 0.24. Yes, this. And this is coming little bit extra because I have not taken 0.73, na? See option, direct, without calculator. Without calculator. Question 11. The ratio of liquid limit, okay, WL minus W natural upon the plasticity index, WL minus WP. This is the consistency index. This is the consistency index. Okay. Tell me this answer, guys. Come on. Come on. What is the error? Error is equal to summation latitude, that is 1.5 square plus 0.5 square. So without calculator, yeah, 2.25 plus 0.25. So 2.25 plus this is 2.5. 2.5 is option number C. 2.5 is option number C. This was question number 12. Out of 20 questions, guys, you have to solve 16 questions. Question number 13. Guys, the variable radius is transition curve. That is also called as easement curve. Because suddenly you will get a centrifugal force of mv square by r. If from a straight line, you go with a circular curve, in straight line, what is the centrifugal force on a vehicle? mv square by r. So straight line r is infinite. So there is no centrifugal force. So suddenly if a circular curve will be coming, so just before this T point, there is no centrifugal force because r is infinite. Just after there is a centrifugal force of mv square by r. So there will be a jerk. Okay, due to this, we make a transition curve where radius is not directly from infinite to r, but radius is very big, less. Gradually we are changing r so that this centrifugal force will be coming gradually. 14. Which type of failure is this? Guys, when the slope is like this, this is the ground. When the slope is like this is a phase failure. This is a phase failure. Okay, this is ground level. When it is like this, the failure plane, this is the failure plane. This is a failure plane. When failure plane passes from toe, that is toe failure. Failure is not coming to toe, it is above it. It is phase failure. And when failure is coming below the ground level also, this is the ground level, that is called base failure. Infinite failures are translational failures parallel to the ground, and the finite failures are the rotational failures. Okay, this was 14. Let us go to 15 questions. Out of 20 questions, you have to solve 16 correct, so that your HPCL preparation is in the right track. Come on, hit this question, guys. Guys, in pond na, you can, a person who is at B can see A na, or the person at A can see at B na. In obstruction, in sighting, there is no obstruction na. If there is hill between, if there is dense forest between, then in sighting there is obstruction. But here in sighting there is no obstruction na. So in sighting there is no obstruction, but yes, in chaining there will be obstruction. Although we can chain it, we can measure it. Like here we go, then perpendicular, then perpendicular, then perpendicular, then perpendicular. So this length is L1, this length is L2, this length is L3. So the horizontal distance of AB is L1 plus L2 plus L3. Although we have some indirect methods, but still I am not saying it is impossible. I am not saying the word impossible. This is obstruction. So obstruction to chaining is there, but not in sighting, not in ranging. 16, IS code value. IS code recommendation. What shall be the minimum area of reinforcement in compression and tension to provide RC in the beam? And the correct answer is 4% and 4%. 4% and 4%. Now 17, in LSM, the moment of resistance of a balanced section using M20 and HYSD steel. M20 and HYSD steel is KBD square. This value you have to remember for every combination. This is M20 and HYSD. For other combination also you should be knowing for the faster calculations. And sometimes of direct faster calculations in gate examination. And these kind of HPCL will be directly asking this. So here, for M20 and HYSD, the correct value is 2.76. 2.76. Now question number 18. A triangular DRH, direct runoff hydrograph. Direct runoff hydrograph is the water which is above the ground. Okay. And flood hydrograph is the total water. A triangular DRH has a time base 80, peak 50. At 20 hours from the start. If the catchment is 144, the rainfall excess. If I draw, here is the time and here is Q in meter cube per second. Then what this question is saying, there is a triangular DRH of time base 80, this is 80 and this is 50. Okay, it is occurring at 20th hour and total is 80. Okay, catchment area is 144. What is the rainfall excess? Guys, what is the area of hydrograph? Is the volume of water. The area of hydrograph is the volume of water. So half into base 3600 into 50. This is the volume of water, and this I have put everything in SI units. This hour into 360 seconds. It is meter cube per second, so this value is in meter cube. This volume of water. So volume of water area catchment 144 kilometer square in meter square, because here it is SI unit. 10 to the power 6 into, if I want the height n value in centimeter, if this is centimeter, then meter I have to multiply with 0.01. Okay. Now from n value from here you will be getting as 5 centimeter. N value from here you will be getting the 5 centimeter. This was question number 18. Now the questions from building material. In HPCL, the temperature of the clay is 1300 to 1500. These kind of questions will save time. In 150 minutes you have to solve 170 questions na? So on average you are getting 50 seconds. But these kind of few questions will allow you to even go for 80 seconds, 90 seconds for some other questions. Like this. Okay. Where it requires a little calculations. So this was question 18, this was question 19, and now question 20 is your homework. Okay, question 20 is your homework, and in question number 20 what you have to tell me in the comment section. In the comment section, what is parallactic angle value in analytic lens in a tachometer? You have to tell me the value, like 1 degree, 2 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree, 2.6 degree. You have to tell me the value. Okay, there are no other value given, but you have to tell me the magnitude. Okay, so how many questions you have done correct, guys? You can download the civil engineering and mechanical engineering app from our Play Store. You can connect us here. I have given my number. This is my number. You can connect me here for any query if you have, or my mail ID is this. You can connect us. Okay, you can download the app from the Play Store, the civil engineering Resultant civil engineering app. Okay, or you can connect us here or here for any inquiry. There is a e-discount going on. Okay, if you want a 1-year course where we are teaching complete GATE and ESC syllabus, instead of 24,999, you can get it in 17,999. For a 2-year course, in 1-year course the batch name is Vision. 2-year course the batch name is Target. Instead of 31,999, you can get it in 23,999. Okay, so this offer is valid only on 17th and 18th June. If you want, you can enroll here, guys. You are teaching complete live classes will be there, which you can watch infinite number of times again. Okay, study notes will be available, class PPT will be available. Okay, PYQs will be available with solution, weekly tests will be there, questions will be there, each and everything will be there, guys. You can download the app and enjoy all these content. And if you want the course, you can avail it with the e-discount. Okay, instead of 24,000, there is a huge discount of 17,999, and for 2-year course, instead of 31,999, you can get it 23,999. Okay, so thank you all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you next time with some other video. Thank you, guys. Take care. Thank you all.